When you receive your new Chase debit card for your Chase checking account, you need to activate it. To do this, open chase.com in your browser. On the main page, in the login form, enter your username and password. Next, click the blue sign in button. Chase uses two-factor authentication. It can be done using text message or using the Chase mobile app on your phone. Take your phone and open the Chase mobile app. If you don't get the push notification, try closing the app completely and opening it again. Next, on the dashboard of your account, find your total checking account in the bank account section. There, find the More button and click on it. In the drop-down menu, find the Account Services option and click on it. Scroll down and find the Activate Your Card option. Click on it. Next, on the Activate Card page, enter the expiration date from the back of your card. When done, click the blue Activate button. Next, you should see the confirmation screen. Your card is active and ready to use. You can use it to withdraw and deposit cash at an ATM or pay for things online or at point of sale. That is how you activate your Chase debit card online.